Happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
How young are you? May pahabol pa yun.
Yay!
Smile. Rin. Oh, very nice. Okay. One more time.
Faster!
Faster!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Tuyo na lang.
Slice mo na.
Picture na. Where is the mama?
Where's the mama?
Where's the mama?
And the papa.
Okay na.
Picture sila.
Okay. Yay!
Picture. Okay, you're superstar today. You
Oh,
better
Mom.
take care of that.
Yeah.
There! Mommy!
It's a family picture.
Family picture.
Ba't wala silang salamin, Mom? There you go.
Yeah.
One for you.
Alam ka yung isa.
Ayan yan, oh.
Siya.
Yeah. You're not accepted.
Okay.
Sabi mo, okay.
Sige, picture kayo.
Pat.
There you go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Yay. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Sa akin video.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah, just wait it on youtube.com. Maribel Madera TV.
Make sure you subscribe. Dali kayo.
Tuloy mo naman kami.
Kayo dalawa lang ba?
Jan, come here.
Your adopted mother. 1, 2, 3. Wala ka. Isa pa? Oh, sige na, sumama ka na. Sige na, sama na.
Sige na, sama mo na yun. Tayo naman. Tayo naman.
Oh, dali.
Kayo lahat, sige.
Pasok.
I'm ready.
Wala na yung ilong ko.
Oh, dali, pasok. Anybody?
Ay, bakla.
Anybody?
Sige na.
Want
Oy,
somebody?
parito na kayo. Huwag ka kayong mahiya. Diyos ko naman.
Obe.
Somebody was, go ahead.
Ano ba yung red velvet?
Tayo na.
Cake.
Red, na velvet.
Red velvet.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, ang pinagkaiba sa ibang cake nun, hindi matamis.
Spelling lang. Pero yung cake isa lang, spelling.
At least ako pumunta ng banyo.
Red velvet.
Mamaya na ako. I don't wanna miss a thing.
Siyempre, unang bibigyan mo yung iyong darling. Tapos sa kantahan mo ng darling, thanks to you for love. Bring me.
Dali, girls.
Hindi lang ata isa yun.
Yaman na. Ikaw na mag-video, ako na magpipik. Ano?
Hindi.
Oh, yan ang red velvet. Nasa loob ang red.
Miss Red Velvet. Di ko pa sabi yung Red Velvet eh. O, tingin dito.
Yeah.
Yan na. Tayong dalawa. Naka-lipstick na ako. Very lipstick na ako. Ay, nagaling namin dalawa. Pa tayong dalawa. Ah, you and me.
You and me against the world.
Ah, ang ganda.
You and me against the
You
world.
and me against the world. Wala talagang karaoke. There's no sound.
Kasi sabi niya gulay. Ang ibig niya sabihin gulay.
Kulay.
Gulay.
Pagkakaintindi nung nag-oo or hindi na sinabi niya kulay. Kaya sinabi oo. Kasi yun, ang puro sinasabi tuloy ay vegetable.
Rain kutsara.
Dapat po.
Rain kutsara.
That's too much work for you. I'm not gonna buy one like that. I want the inflatable one.
Oh, that one, okay.
When the party's over, you just inflate it. Yeah, put the hose in your...
May?
Yes.
Dapat daw kasi sinabi mo.
Cake daw, gusto
For
mo?
sure.
Sinabi ang parang
Why should I resist? Why should I refuse?
Sabi niya,
Oh my God.
sabi niya, me, Molor.
Dapat,
Kailangan talaga.
Di ba yung mga Koreana talaga, no? Talaga, oo. Bilib na bilib ako. Oh, Diyos ko, kalalaki ng Subukan ko nga. Teka nga, baka
Ang laki naman kasi nung kinuha mo.
Dapat
Teka,
maliit.
hatiin ko pala.
Oo, hatiin mo. Tapos,
Para ano?
kulang na lang chopsticks.
Meron akong chopstick kaso sa bahay.
Uwi ka muna.
Kunin mo na rin yung ano. Kunin mo na rin yung mic.
Ba't ka, yung
Kaya na
karaoke.
bumalik ako dito.
Wala na
Party's over!
Pabalik dito, wala nang tao.
Wala nang tao.
Kanta ka na lang mag-isa.
Sarap. Talaga.
Asan yung mga tao? Where's your sister? Tina. See you soon. Yes, I'll definitely see you later. Does John have to work?
Unfortunately, vacation's over.
Well, you gotta go back sometime.
Yeah, I guess.
You know.
Now it's gonna count down to
Kanina pa nandito. Dinner kami sa sister ko.
Grabe mo.
26 ako. Just get married.
I told her when I get old, I look better.
Ang edad ko ba?
When I was young, I was...
Bye! Sige, ma!
Rain, pa-thank you ka na. Nasa nagpa-thank you ka na.
Ay, salamat po. He was gonna like and subscribe. Pa-vlog na yung puti.